Hello, my beautiful family. I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to our kitchen. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Claudia, and I invite you to hit the subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy and delicious chorizo verde, green chorizo. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. We're going to begin by prepping our ingredients for our green salsa marinade. So we're going to roast 2 Anaheim peppers and 2 chile serranos. And if you can't find the Anaheim peppers, you can use chile poblanos. So we're just going to completely roast them. And just make sure that your chiles get roasted all around. And once the chile serranos are fully roasted, we're going to set them on a bowl or a Ziploc bag. And if you're using a bowl, just make sure that you cover it with foil. And once our green chiles are fully roasted, we're going to transfer them with the chile serranos. Close them real good and allow them to sweat. And now we're also going to roast 1 green onion and 1 tomatillo. And once they're fully roasted, set them to the side. And while we wait for our chiles to sweat, we're going to toast our spices. Okay, so we're going to grab a small frying pan. We're going to set it on low heat and we're going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once it heats up, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds and 2 teaspoons of peppercorn, along with 3 allspice and 3 whole cloves. And now we're just going to toast them for 1 minute. Okay, so after the minute, we're going to add 2 bay leaves. Just break them down, along with 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And now we're just going to toast them for 30 seconds. Okay, so after 30 seconds, we're going to transfer all of our spices into our blender cup, and just make sure that your blender cup is not wet. And lastly, we're going to toast 3 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. So toast them for a minute or until they change color. Okay, so after a minute, we're going to transfer our pumpkin seeds to our blender cup. And we're done toasting all of our spices. So now we're just going to continue waiting for our chiles to cool down. After 5 minutes, we're going to peel and deseed all of our peppers. And once we have our peppers ready, we're going to make our chile verde marinade. Okay, so now we're just going to pulverize all of our spices. Okay, so once we have all of our spices nicely pulverized, now we're going to begin to add the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to add all of our chiles, our onion, tomatillo, handful of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, 1 cup of spinach, 1 cup of spinach, 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. So now slowly we're going to begin to blend everything together until we have a smooth sauce. Okay, so now we're going to turn up the speed until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so once we have our chile verde marinade, now we are ready to pour it on our meat. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 pounds of ground pork. Of course, you can use ground chicken or ground beef, but just make sure that it is not lean. Okay, so to that I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of lard. You can also add 4 tablespoons of oil, along with salt. I'm using 4 teaspoons. So just mix it. Okay, so now we're going to pour our chile verde marinade. Make sure you get all of it. And now mix it in with the meat. Okay, so once our meat is fully coated with our marinade, now we're just going to cover it and allow it to marinate, or you can also transfer it into a plastic wrap. Okay, so I'm going to be transferring half of my mixture into plastic wrap. I'm just going to make my chorizo rolls. Okay, so we're just going to fold it in. Make sure that you remove all of the air. Grab the other end. So we're going to grab the end and make a knot. Grab the other end and make another knot. I'm just going to cut the end. So now we're just going to repeat the process to the rest of our chorizo. Okay, so once we have our rolls of chorizo, now we're going to allow them to marinate overnight or for at least 6 hours. So here I have my chorizo that has been marinating overnight. So once we have it ready, now we can begin to cook it. Okay, so I'm going to be making chorizo tacos. I'm going to preheat my comal to medium-high heat, and we're just going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, and once it heats up, we're going to throw in our chorizo. And now we're just going to break it down and allow it to cook. So after 7 minutes, our chorizo is done. Of course, if you would like your chorizo to be more crispier, then just cook it longer. So now I'm just going to move it to the side so we can get our tortillas ready. Once we have our tortillas ready, now we can serve our delicious chorizo. And you serve as much as you want. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, dressing our tacos. So we're just going to keep it very simple. Going to add some cilantro and onion. And of course you can add whatever you like. But for me, this is just perfect. Going to squeeze some lemon juice. And of course, our delicious salsa. Alrighty, and just like that, we are now ready to enjoy our delicious chorizo verde tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super delicious. You can have chorizo many ways. And you know, the best part is that it is homemade and you know exactly what goes into it. So cheers and enjoy. Honestly, the best. And it's not spicy. You know, the chile verde, it has a chorizo taste. It's just so delicious. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious chorizo verde. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.